Do you remember the snowy winter ice storms? The one that kept us inside all week, leaving me alone to seek nothing but you? Winter ice storm dance along the piers, singing a gentle song when thunderclouds start to clap along. Boom! Bang! Like snare drums they rang. Gentle snowflakes fall, heavier and heavier as they answer my call. They were the most beautiful I've ever saw, and as I hoot and I call, I too start to dance along. Up, down, twist and turn, scatter the ashes and smash the urn. I couldn't go outside, for it was too cold. That was the coldest winter I've ever seen. The storm was going to pass soon, and to our doom that would signify the last time we would fall in love. Our love burned as bright as the sun, melting the snow around us, only to be returned to an ember, waiting to be stoked again. But soon, like the snowy winter ice storms, it would pass, and we too would fall out of love again.